So today's video is a shop with me, which if anyone knows me in real life, you know I love shop with me's. I love watching other people's shop with me's. So, yeah, I went on a shopping trip and we went to Ikea in the Mall of America, and I went to Lululemon for the first time ever, which was really crazy. It's like a really crazy experience, and I didn't take any video inside the store, but you can see how the outside looks at the Mall of America, which is really pretty. And then yeah, the store was like packed, very full of people. So I always feel really shy about filming anything. I'm getting better at it, but I didn't do any video in there. And then I also went to Fabletics, which is like right across the street, or the like row when you're walking down the Mall of America. It's like right on the other side. And then also I went to Athleta, which they're all kind of in the same aisle in the Mall of America. It's on the west side of the Mall of America. I went to like all these stores for the first time. It was really fun, and I'll show you at the end of the video what I ended up buying. I found a bunch of stuff. I found like way too many things that I liked, but yeah, I got some stuff and it was really fun day with my mom. Ikea first, and then some stuff that I wanted, and then they have a thing where you can click and pick up. So you like order it online, then you go back later and they've already pulled it for you, and then you just have to put it in your car. So it's like way easier way of shopping at Ikea. So that's what I did. And I ordered the stuff. We went over to the Mall of America, did like 5 hours of shopping over there, and then went back to Ikea, picked up the things that we'd ordered ahead of time, and then we went home. But I'm just gonna show you guys, like, I did not do a very good job of videoing the way I wanted to, but it was still a really fun day, so I just wanted to share it with you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. Get my own tray. good this one was? Can I get one of those? Can you hold hold it open for me because I only have one hand? Because I'm an invisible. So this is what I always get when we go to Ikea. This is lingonberries, the Swedish meatballs, mashed potatoes and gravy, and then this is a princess cake, lingonberry juice. Man, I'm going fast. Baked chicken, gravy and potatoes, vegetables, more lingonberry juice. I really like that stuff. And then the vegetables are always seasonal, so they always change that out. And then we got some coleslaw too, so it was delicious. And this is the princess cake. This is my favorite place in Ikea. We always check out this, the as is section first, because you can find some really good deals there. Sometimes they're not so good, but sometimes they're pretty good. So I bought a chest of drawers last time we were at Ikea, and they had my identical chest of drawers. Are you kidding me? Except it's all beaten up and gross, so. Yeah, well look at that. Yeah. To something which I think is worth it when you look at that. Espervar, Hemnes, there it is.
Is it white?
Gray. White stain. It's not the right one.
Yeah, there's a movie.
Ready? Oh, that's what it is there. It's that thing. We have to go that way over there. That way. We have to go that way. Dude, wear leggings. I'm gonna take the audio out of this video, by the way.
Thank you. I didn't either.
Wanna go in? You guess? So so pretty. They're so pretty. Do you want one? Okay, do it again. Wow. We live in a spaceship. What about this one? It's a big yellow ball. Yeah. Tell us what you really think about their lights.
This is like something you do in kindergarten.
Yeah, like a craft project.
Yeah.
What about this over here? I wish that they were brighter. They're all so dim. I don't like any of them.
You don't want this
Okay.
You know, look at that.
Yeah.
It's like,
Sorry to anyone that owns that. It's ugly.
and what would you do?
They're all really like either very, very basic like those,
Yeah.
but you don't even notice them at all, or they're like
So what?
really crazy.
Yeah.
And I've had this kind of light, and it's a pain in the butt to dust. So no, thank you, never again. Okay,
$1,000.
guess how much this rug is?
1,000.
No, guess lower.
500.
This rug right here.
500.
It is $799.
Yeah, look at they piece it all together.
So that's not what it's worth.
This is so ugly.
We don't like it.
We don't like it at all.
No, let's go over here and look at these. Where's the one that I liked? Oh,
They never brought it in.
it was new and they were gonna have it. That's ridiculous. That's Ikea.
Okay.
So,
There wasn't any difference between these two.
no. Well, one's smaller than the other.
Oh, really?
Hi, so this is the rug that I
This one
wanted,
is the 59?
and there aren't any. So I'm getting this rug. And it is, she hates it. My mom hates this
So
rug.
hard, but it's so hard.
But it's made with sisal.
You like that?
I don't know. I think it'll look nice with the white bed and the white, everything's white, and it'll kind of be just...
Okay.
Well, let's try it out. It's not that expensive.
No, I just
Okay.
crazy.
I really wanted that black and silver one, but guess this is what we're getting.
That would have looked so much more bedroomy.
I know.
And in style with the...
But it looks so much more bedroomy.
But it would. But it also would be more in style with your bed and
I know.
you know, your dresser. And
Oh well.
you don't think you could wait?
No. Who knows if they'll even get it back in stock. The third rug that I've tried to get, and they're all out of stock, so I'm kind of over
Every
this.
time.
My hair is really humid too.
Every
So I'm so sick of this, and Ikea, I am not happy with you. So we're gonna go now, because we've been here for like forever.
Let's go.
We just loaded the car with my bed, and there's a man watching me outside the window. And now we're gonna move the car from the loading spot, and then we're gonna go do the rest of our shopping. So this is what I ended up getting at Lululemon, and I tried on like a ton of stuff, but this is what I ended up getting. So they had a sale rack, and of course I had to get some of the sale rack. So this was originally $148 and I got it for $89, and it is a big cozy sweatshirt, so that's what that is. It's really nice and thick material. I like it. And then I also got, of course, some leggings, black, and these are the Time to Sweat crops, and I got those in 23 inches, and I'm 5'5", and I tried on their like regular length and they were way long. They went over my feet. So I got the 23 and they're just perfect. They just hit at my ankles and I didn't need them to hem them or anything, so it's really nice. And these are $88. So this is the Lululemon sweatshirt that I got. I think it's really cute and it fits nice. Are the Lululemon leggings, and hey, you wanna check them out? I think they fit really well, and they come down just like to my ankles, so I think they fit nice. So I went to Fabletics, which, like I said, is right across the street aisle. It's more like a street at the Mall of America, right across from Lululemon, and I am a member of their club. Whenever you join, then you get a discount. And then they also had 40% off everything because it was Memorial Day sale, so I got 2 sports bras. I'll tell you what they are. So these are this is the Zoe High Impact Sports Bra. And this one is the Ella High Impact Sports Bra. This one was $64 regularly, but I got 40% off. They don't give you a receipt because they just email it to you, so I don't actually know how much they ended up. And this was $64.95 too for that one. And then I went to Athleta and I got this sweatshirt, and it was $55.99. This sweatshirt is really big and comfy, and it goes down. I think it's really nice for leggings. I'll try that on too so you can see it, but this was the incline hoodie, and I really like it. It's the hoodie from Athleta. Oops. And I think it fits really nice. It kind of goes down to the back side a little more. It covers the nice pocket in the front. Yeah, I think it looks pretty cute.